How to fix YouTube error 400 in Android 2024. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to fix the YouTube error 400 on your Android device. Let's get started. First, open your phone settings and go to Apps or App Management. Find and select YouTube. Tap on Storage and then Clear Cache. This will remove any temporary files that might be causing the error. Next, go back and select Clear Data. Note that this will reset the app, so you might need to log in again. Then restart your phone to ensure all changes take effect. Open YouTube again and check if the error is resolved. If you're still seeing the error, try updating the YouTube app from the Play Store or reinstalling it. And that's it. If this tutorial is helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.